Cloudy and rainy weather is expected this Saturday afternoon along the south coast. It's going to stay sunny for the rest of South Africa. And on Sunday, wet weather is set to spread into eastern South Africa. On the latest satellite picture, we have cloud-free skies across much of the country, allowing for sunny weather in most places. However, we have a lot of rain-bearing clouds along the south coast. We also have cloud creeping onto the west coast, but it's going to stay dry over these parts of South Africa. Now, here's looking ahead to the next 24 hours on our futurecast map. It's going to stay mostly sunny over central and northwestern South Africa with hot temperatures, partly cloudy but dry over the northeast, and rainy weather is forecast from the southwest coastline extending into the Eastern Cape coastal areas. And on Sunday, we are going to see wet weather spreading into the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. Thunder showers are forecast over the eastern parts of Mpumalanga. It's going to be partly cloudy but dry for the rest of South Africa. Up to a 40% chance of rain is forecast over parts of the southwest coastline, the south coast, and the Eastern Cape coastal areas. But the chance of precipitation decreases as we go towards the Wild Coast and the south coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Durban is going to look more like this afternoon. Partly cloudy skies overhead, but the cloud increases in the evening, and afternoon temperatures will peak at around 26 degrees. Look out for pretty strong winds this afternoon around the Cape Town area. Lighter winds are forecast for the rest of South Africa, with a northeasterly breeze expected for Richards Bay and Durban, southeasterlies in East London and Port Elizabeth. Here's a look at those hot afternoon temperatures across the central and northeastern parts of the country. Look at Uppington peaking at 35, just a degree cooler for Kimberley, 32 in Bloemfontein, Mahikeng 33, 32 as well in Pretoria, Johannesburg 28. It's also going to be hot over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, Pietermaritzburg reaching the 30-degree mark, 22 for East London, 21 in Port Elizabeth, and a cool 17 is forecast for the mother city. It's going to be pretty warm overnight across much of KwaZulu-Natal. Temperatures dropping into the upper teens for Durban and Richards Bay. 12 for the minimum in Johannesburg, the same for Polokwane, Pretoria, 16. Cooler as we go towards the Free State, Bloemfontein and Bethlehem dropping to 8. 10 for Kimberley, 12 in Uppington, 11 for the mother city, George, as well as Bishop. We are expecting wet weather on Sunday along the east coast, thunder showers around Mbombela, sunny skies for the bulk of the country. Thunder showers are forecast on Monday across the eastern half of the country, and rainy weather should persist from George into Port Elizabeth.
News that moves. eNCA.com.